Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by powering off and removing both AirPods. This prevents accidental taps or moisture damage. Once done, use a soft lint-free cloth to wipe the case exterior and lids. This removes oils and surface dirt. Then, with a wooden toothpick, gently scrape earwax from crevices. Do not force. Make sure to keep a small, soft brush ready to sweep debris into a disposable tissue. This prevents reintroduction of grime into ports and speaker meshes. Next, focus on the speaker mesh. You brush with a soft bristled brush while rotating the AirPod to lift trapped particles. This preserves sound quality. Then, lightly dampen a cloth with 70% isopropyl and wipe around the mesh edges and stem. Avoid applying liquid directly onto the mesh to protect the drivers. After that, clean the case's charging contacts with a dry cotton swab and visually inspect for lint or corrosion. This keeps reliable charging and prevents intermittent connections. Finally, let everything air dry for 10 to 15 minutes. You must avoid reassembling while damp because moisture harms electronics. Then reinsert AirPods, close the case, and test audio and charging. If pairing or sound issues persist, perform a reset following Apple's reset steps. If grime remains trapped or you detect physical damage, stop and consult an authorized service provider. Trying to pry into sealed areas can worsen the problem. One tip: if cleaning seems ineffective, use fresh tools and repeat gently.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.